Good morning and welcome to my Plan With Me video. I'm Janelle with Sticker Mama, and in today's Plan With Me video, I'll be planning for the first week of June. Quickly, before the June tab on the lined piece of paper, I have my budget where we have income, and then we have an expenses where you can estimate actual, over, under, some savings lines. So that's how I budget. I'll be doing a video soon on this. Seeking funds, debt tracker, where I can track my debt, how much I, beginning paid interest on my weekly spending here. That should match this page there with the different weeks. And then my nice productivity page, everything is color coordinated. Flip a page over to my my monthly spread. All right, now let's get into this week. So again, I'm going to be using this coordinating kit. Everything coordinates. So we have all these sheets are available individually. So we have a sheet kit, some box kit, sheet, and then some washies. And then in addition to that, I like to make my kits for 2 weeks. So I have this extra. So you see how they're different colors, patterns are flipped, and then 2 different colors of the date strips. Individual dates are also available. So I'm going to put these 2 items in here for next week. And I'm going to go ahead and get started with this set. Again, everything will be linked below for you guys to check out if you wish to. All right, let me go ahead and get started. All right, so this is the week for June 1st through June 7th. I still need to finish off some of my meal planning and those type of items, but for the most part, my week is set. I appreciate everybody watching. Please follow me on Instagram at Sticker Mama Co. and also on Facebook at Sticker Mama Co. If you like my video, please like and subscribe below, and everybody have a blessed day. Thank you.